In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight an entire row using your Google Sheets mobile app. So when working on some data on your Google Sheets app, and you want to highlight an entire row based on a condition. So the basis of my condition would be this column right here. If the sales is over 40,000, then the entire row that meets that criteria will be highlighted. For example, this one right here. So I want that entire row highlighted, also this one because it meets that criteria, and so on. So what we're going to do is to use conditional formatting, and we're going to do that by first selecting the entire range. Now in a previous video, I've already shown you how to highlight your data based on the condition using conditional formatting. We're basically doing the same thing, but this time not just the individual cells on a column, but an entire row on a range. So a bunch of rows if, again, they meet that condition. So once you've selected your range, I've selected mine. That's going to be from A2 to D13. Then I'm going to go to the Format tool at the top. Just tap on it. Scroll up until you see Conditional Formatting. Here we have it. Tap on that. Then we're going to go to the condition right here, and we are actually going to enter a custom formula. So go to the very bottom of those drop down or those options and select custom formula. Here we have where we're going to enter our formula, and basically what we're going to do is an equal sign, then a reference to our first sale right there, which is at D2. There we go. If this is greater than the value of 40,000, there you have it. So right now it's highlighting our first column, and that is because we selected the entire range. So this is being applied to the first row of the entire range. But what we're going to do is to put in an absolute reference, which is your $sign right there, and there you have it. So once we place that absolute reference with our column right there, it is now highlighting the data that we want based on the condition of, again, over 40,000 in sales. And there you have it. So now we can just select the formatting style. If you want to apply the most basic ones right here, you can have that. You can also customize it depending on what you want. You can put the text in bold, have the text color in a different color, maybe red, and even a different fill color. Go to basic, select the one that you want to use, and there you have it. And now we've successfully added that format rule under our conditional formatting. And there you have it. We've successfully highlighted an entire row using conditional formatting here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Now, unfortunately, this feature is only available for Android users. You cannot find conditional formatting with iPhone or iOS devices. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.